Okay, welcome. This is the introduction to a very long series of videos. I'm going to be pretty much doing a video journal of the entire creation of a new album from scratch. Don't even have an idea what it's going to be yet. So this thing is going to go from concept to lyrics to screwing around with feels and showing a little bit the technical side of how I actually record it, play it, came up with the songs, all the way through to the mixing, and I'll be releasing probably a single every time I finish one. But it should be very interesting. I hope you guys find it interesting. Some of it'll just be sort of like a tour for people who don't really have technical knowledge of how an album is created, so you can skip through the technical stuff. And some of the videos will be more technical. I'll label them so you'll know which is which. And also, if you have any questions, it would really help to make this a better series if you just write in the comments or send me an email, and then in the next video I'll do the best I can to answer your questions. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. I'll give you a little bit of my philosophy behind creation and writing lyrics and music and mixing. And hopefully it'll be fun. This is just the first of many. Might take a year, maybe even more. So stick with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.